That doesn't. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Right now, I'm on my way to meet up with Jake. Jake from State Farm. Oh, there he is. Good. All right, Jake from State Farm. Good to see you. Today we're going.
It's a place called Burger Box.
After you told me, I spent a little bit of time looking at what this place was. I was shocked to find they don't even have a burger there. Burger Box is a chicken spot. Why'd you select this spot?
I went on Yelp, was looking for new chicken restaurants to try, and just came across it. I'm like, looks decent, might as well give it a try.
Oh, I want to share something with everybody. The other day, Two Brothers Racing came and picked up my bike. They've redone their whole exhaust system. Look at this carbon. Quite a bit different. Used to be bolt mounted, now it's spring mounted. Pipe's pretty badass. I'm excited to have it. So I don't know if it's quite available yet. I'll have information in the description of the video. Give them a call, man. You can always get that Suburban Delinquent edition too. All right, I'm just gonna follow you. Always good to ride with Jake from State Farm. He's a good dude, man. He's picked some bangers. He took us to some burger spot that was pretty amazing. I've actually been back to the place a couple times. I have faith that this is another good spot, although he's never been here before, so we'll see. Forgot to turn my music on, Jake.
Oh.
Well, here comes the cops.
Oh, you were talking. No, he does not care.
To the white line, Jake. Loser buys lunch. I'll give you a head start to that line. That doesn't. I don't know, man. Does that count? I don't think that counts. I think I get lunch. Burger Town, USA. Now that's a spot. I do not remember if I've been there in a video or not, though. I want to say I have, but I'm not sure. So we're almost to this spot. Let me tell you, their website didn't offer any information about this place. All I can tell is that there's one location, and it's kind of an Asian fusion chicken American spot. All right, well, it's right in here in this plaza. Let's see what we get. Right next door to Mr. Pickles, which I've reviewed, and across the street from the Hat, which I've also reviewed. This place sucks. I'm gonna be upset.
Hey.
Pole.
We'll see. How you guys doing?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Never been here before. We're new.
New? So everything's fried chicken. So we got all chicken burgers, wings. You know, we got like a chicken pizza. We got wraps. Then we also have black pepper bowls and teriyaki bowls, which is just white rice.
I think I'm gonna have to go with your signature crispy chicken burger, and I'll do your 3 wings, fries, and soda. And can I get it spicy?
Oh, so you want to do the flame?
Yeah. Oh, so you're saying the signature it's the same thing, just one's hotter than the other?
Yeah, one's hotter.
Yeah, I'll do the hotter one. Oh yeah, you owe lunch.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you run red lights. How long have you been in business?
Here, almost a year.
Is there another location?
No, just only one right now. We make everything on the spot.
Yeah.
As soon as you order it, we have raw chicken in the back. We bread that bad boy up. We don't have anything breaded or anything. We did it on the spot.
Oh, no.
That's awesome.
All fresh, huh?
Yeah. So you just do like spicy challenges, or?
No, everything. We're actually making a video today, right now.
Where are you guys going to?
Right here.
Recording?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Thank you. See it.
You'll see me on one of the bikes one of these days. Huh?
I hope so. See it. right, Jake, burger box. We got the spicy signature chicken sandwiches. We got the wings. We got the fries. Overall, man, what'd you think?
Really good. For being a chicken guy, I liked it quite a bit. Breading was great. Chicken tastes pretty well. Flavor was there. I liked it.
I kind of ate mine so fast, I didn't really pay attention to what was in it, but I think we had some mayonnaise, some lettuce, really good bread. Honestly, I feel like that's all you need, man. That was pretty good. Now, you work at a chicken wing spot, and we got some chicken wings to go along. What do you think, man?
I wasn't a big fan of the wings. I don't know, they didn't really do it for me.
What didn't you like about them?
A little too much breading, in my opinion.
Fair enough. I love the fries. The fries were really good. My only complaint, wish they had some sauces, some ranch or something we would have got on the side. You know, ketchup always works, but some ranch would have hit the nail on the head for sure. So the magic question, would you be back? And if so, what would you be back for?
I'd be back for what I got, the spicy chicken sandwich.
You'd be back for, yeah, that was pretty good.